How to get limited time menu items first. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wanting to do that, you may follow up these steps. So let me just go ahead and explain how. So there are different methods available if you would like to get limited time menu items first. One of the method you can uh, follow up is consider signing up for the restaurant's loyalty program. So you can subscribe to the restaurant's email list or loyalty program and follow them on social media and consider visiting during the initial launch or special events. So, if you would like to subscribe to the marketing channels, one of the method is email list. So you can sign up for restaurant's email list to receive early announcements about limited time offers. You can just go ahead and do so. Those there are different loyalty program available as well. You can join your loyalty program as restaurants often reward their most frequent customers with early access to special menu items. And the main thing you can do is that you can follow them on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or other different social media platforms as they often announce limited time offers on those channels. So you can look out for that option. After that, uh, timing is also key. So you can visit them on the first day or the week of the limited times menu availability to ensure you get a chance to try it before it potentially sells out. You can even attend special events like tasting nights or lunch parties where the limited time menu items may be showcased. Being a regular customer is also a loyal patron that will help you give early access to limited time items so you can look out and try building relationships with different kind of restaurants that will have help you offer limited time offers very easily. So that is it. You may follow up this method. There are also other considerations. You can go ahead and check it out and try getting limited time menu items first. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Try it out and let us know in the comments if that worked. So I hope this just don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.